This math number of problems type math. The math says what is the sum of two consecutive even numbers, the difference of whose square. This whose square is 84. Let even number be x. Even number be x. This two consecutive x and x plus 2. Say we catch even number be 2. Then 2 plus 2 equal 4. This two even number. Okay. The difference of whose square? This square, this square. This a t q x plus 2 whole square minus x square equal 84. Because whose square means this square difference mean minus. A plus b whole square formula, x square 4x plus 4 minus x square 84. This x square cancel, 4x plus 4 84, 4x equal 84 minus 4, 4x equal 80, x equal 20. Okay, number of what is the sum of two? Sum of two consecutive number. Consecutive number x plus 2. This x 20 plus 20 plus 2. This 42. The answer is 42. Out. See. Overview. Even number bx and x plus 2 atq, x plus 2 whole square minus x square equal 84. This difference between. Then calculate this calculation, x equal to 20, and what is the sum of two consecutive number? This sum of two consecutive number x plus 2. Then this answer